and anxiety are the most extended health disorders that many employees in management roles are facing every day. I help them create a more peaceful and balanced work environment by setting up their own online business around their interests or hobbies so they can really get rid of those anxiety issues from the root. Demanding targets with lack of support and resources, as well as long working days, put a huge strain, leading them little by little to mental and physical exhaustion. I can personally relate to that. I've been working in middle and high management jobs as well as performed as business consultant for all my professional life. Without even being conscious about it, you're entering a vicious cycle that diminishes your skills, your energy and mental strength to handle your job's daily complex circumstances. Symptoms get worse over time. Breathing difficulties, sleep deprivation, headache disorders, concentration difficulties, lack of mental clarity. You get impatient and emotional, even overreacting in front of your client or team. You feel mentally and physically tired, and it can even finally make you doubt about your professional capacity, so your working future may appear black and uncertain. I'm here sharing my story with you today so you don't have to pass through what I went through. That's why I'm offering you a series of free informational videos that set out for you different options to build an automated online business that will help you create a competitive and self-tailored professional career working for yourself. You can work from home or from any geographical point in the world. There is no limit to how much you can earn. Nothing is guaranteed, of course. All depends on you. And you don't have to quit your current job until you decide it, so you can have the financial stability you need in your life. To get those videos, click the link below and sign up for free. Educate yourself on what could be an alternative way for working to develop a balanced and fulfilling professional and personal life. That's what I did, and I'm now much more relaxed and feel so empowered and excited about my professional prospect. Now I feel like I'm actually doing something worthwhile in an appealing work environment, and it doesn't even feel like work anymore because I really enjoy what I do. The best thing, once you learn the skills and get the system working, it pretty much runs itself. So you can use your daily time to practice your hobbies, learn new things, and develop the lifestyle you want for your life. If you think that this sounds worth learning a bit more about, click the link below and invest a bit of time in watching the videos so you can decide for yourself. Carry on as you are, and you will probably end up having an anxiety attack, depression, stroke, or cancer. Or watch the videos, and maybe, just maybe, one day you'll be thanking me for changing your life.